Subtraction. When we subtract 1 from a given number, we get the previous number, which is called its predecessor. See these examples. 18 minus 1 equal to 17. 9 minus 1 equal to 8. 6 minus 1 equal to 5. And so on. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the number itself. 12 minus 0 equal to 12. 25 minus 0 equal to 25. 9 minus 0 equal to 9. And so on. When we subtract a number from itself, the difference we get is 0. 18 minus 18 equal to 0. 8 minus 8 equal to 0. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Subtraction of two-digit number without borrowing. As we know, subtraction means less, reduction or taking away. Thus, we cannot take more from the else. Now, we can say that the greater number could not be subtracted from smaller number. How to do the subtraction? Step 1. Write the number in column from according to their place value. Step 2. Place the greater number at the top and smaller number at the bottom. Step 3. Subtract ones from the ones and tens from the tens. Example. Subtract 24 from 97. On subtracting ones, we will get 7 minus 4 equal to 3 ones. So we write 3 at the ones position. On subtracting tens, we will get 9 minus 2 equal to 7 tens. So we will write 7 at tens position. So, the result of 97 minus 24 will be 73. A tip. We can check the answer with the help of addition-subtraction relationship. To check the correctness of the answer, add the answer and the smaller number. If the sum is equal to the greatest number, then our answer is correct. Subtraction of two-digit number with borrowing. As we know that we cannot give more things from less. So, what we can do in this case? We will borrow from our neighbor. Similarly, if we have to subtract more from the less, we will borrow the digits from the nearest place. Now let's see the examples. Example 1. Subtract 19 from 32. Firstly, write numbers in column. Then, subtract at the ones place. But, we cannot subtract 9 from the 2 because 2 is smaller than 9. In this case, we will borrow from the nearest place, that is tens place. So we borrow 1 tens from the tens place. Now, 1 10 plus 2 ones will become 12 ones. Now, subtract 9 ones from 12 ones and we will get 3 ones, which we will write at the ones place. Now, in the tens column, because we have borrowed 1 tens from the 3 tens, we are left with only 2 tens at the tens place. So, let's subtract tens now. 2 minus 1 equal to 1 10. So the answer will be 1 tens plus 3 ones equal to 13. Let's try one more example. Subtract 25 from 62. In ones column, We cannot subtract 5 from 2 because 5 is bigger than 2. So, we have to borrow 1 tens from the tens column. After borrowing 1 tens, it will be 12 ones, and now we can subtract 5 ones from 12 ones. So, 12 minus 5 equal to 7. We will write 7 at the ones place. Now, let's subtract at the tens place. At the tens place, we had already borrowed 1 tens, so only 5 tens are left. When we subtract 2 tens from the 5 tens, only 3 tens will be left. So we will write 3 at the tens place. Subtraction of 2-digit from 3-digit numbers without borrowing. Let's learn to subtract 2-digit numbers from 3-digit numbers without borrowing. Steps for subtraction. Step 1. Place the numbers according to their place value. Step 2. Put the greatest number at the top and the smallest at the bottom. Step 3. First subtract the ones and then the tens and then the hundreds. Let's do an example. Subtract 52 from 495. Let's subtract at the ones place. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. So write 3 at the ones place. Now, let's subtract at the tens place. 9 minus 5 equal to 4, so write 4 at the tens place. Now, let's subtract at the hundred place. 4 minus 0 equal to 4, so write 4 at the hundreds place.